In today's video, I'm going to show to you why I'm going back inside Alien Worlds, okay? And what are my future plans onto this game, and why I am retracting my statement from my previous video on why I'm going to quit Alien Worlds. So the first thing that I just really noticed, it is because these kind of items that are really pretty much expensive to get before, okay, and you can just get it for around $62, and its previous price was around $200-300. So this is pretty much cheap if you're going to buy this one. And if you're going to go here, okay, this is the tools that tools, data, and everything that was made by Vops from Good Vibes Mining. And as you can see here, Draxos Axe is rare, and it really gives you around 88.51%. So almost every item in Alien Worlds that are pretty much in the meta right now, like this ring as well. So it really gives us pretty much good amount of NFTs, okay, that you can probably get. And of course the price is really low, okay. Before, the trend here was this five here, okay, exogloves, trillium detector, extractor, and everything. So right now the goal is to have a pretty much higher charge time and just focus on NFTs and TLM. So that's why that's the first reason I'm going to go back into this game. It is because it really dips right now, and I'm pretty much have a really good feeling that that the developers were going to do something about this game, of course. And the game has around five months right now. So the good thing about this one also as well here is, if the TLM price goes up, okay, these items that you have right here, okay, you can sell it for much more higher price. It is because it has much more demand than before. So probably you can sell this one at the higher price, and of course you're going to get pretty much specific amount of TLM and NFTs, okay. So that's pretty much massive if you're going to say. And if you're just going to hold out a lot of items right here and just continue to mine, then probably this is pretty much good for you. So the second thing that I'm going to talk about here is the price right here. So it is around 0.17, and we can't deny that Alien Worlds price got really affected because of Bitcoin crash. So as you can see here, Bitcoin is around 34,000 right now, and pretty much everything is affected because of that. So that's pretty much one thing that you should take in mind right here. So if the price of the token goes up, there's a lot of factors that are pretty much covering it, especially Bitcoin. So it has really a lot of market dominance. So that is the reason why as well it is really going down. So the third reason that I'm going to play this one, it is because if you're going to play this kind of tools right here, okay, it gives you a pretty much higher charge times, right? So even before, I was just really tackling about TLM, okay, mining TLM, the charge times, the TLM that you are getting is not really worth it if you sell it. So how about we just focus on the NFTs, okay? I mean, even though there's a lot of competition, however, since there's a lot of I mean, the price goes really down, pretty much a lot of people are selling their tools as well. So this is pretty much a good opportunity for everyone, of course, to join in, and of course to buy low, okay. So this is not a financial advice. Again, I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only, and every video that I'm just doing here in YouTube, is just my story here into to the cryptocurrency space, and you should be responsible to your money. So that's the third part right here. The fourth part right here is of course the Thunderdome. So I'm pretty much aware that uh, the developers probably are not just releasing pretty much a sneak peek about the Thunderdome, but saying that the game has last for more than months now. Probably in the next few months to come, they will probably release it, and of course you can probably battle with another alien world people right here. So this is pretty much a good alternative into this game because you can now play with other players, not just by mining. And of course, the last one, the final, okay, is this planet Binance from TLM. So I'm going to check it for you guys. So they have a sneak preview, which was around last for almost 4 weeks ago, which they will enable to have a missions right here, which of course you can earn a specific amount of NFTs, which in turn of course you can probably sell it in a higher price. So the higher the duration here, the rarer that you could probably get on the cards that you're getting. And I think um the dashboard right here is pretty much slick. As you can see, it's pretty much slick. Okay, it is pretty much an improvement on this graphics right here, and it is pretty much good. And of course, there's no really there's no playing involved onto this one. So this is just more like a staking mission. Okay, so just a few points right here. Okay, just a few points. Okay, I just really hope that Alienwords will probably do something about the bots because it's really really annoying. Okay, that there's a lot of bots. Excuse me, that are penetrating the game, just destroying the economy. And as an Alienwords player, it is pretty much it hurts me a lot for this kind of scenario because I mean it doesn't really promote a fair game for all. And I mean we don't really like to have that kind of game as well. So because if that is the case, then probably there's more people will going to play to create an account and to use the bot. And of course it's gonna be really really messy scenario to be in there. So I just really hope that they do some pretty much improvements regarding to that account of course and to the TLM. And I pretty much I think this is still the best blockchain game right now. I just really think that the developers should think as well about the updates of course. So if you're looking to a lot of games, okay, especially pretty much live games, pretty much involve a team play or maybe something like that. Okay, they are revamping it. Okay, they are balancing the meta. They are adjusting the bugs, the cheats and stuff. So I think they are also need to focus on that. After probably if they really don't have any time for them to fix that one. So probably even just after the planet Binance and of course the Thunderdome, I hope they really do some adjustments right here because I mean this game is pretty much hard to maintain right now. They do have a lot of users, as you can see here to the DAP Radar. They do have 2 million users. I just really hope that 2 million is bots, but I don't know. I'm just not going to say anything. Okay, so I just really hope on that one. Okay, so I think that is it for this video, guys. As you can see here, there's a substantial amount of users. Okay, last time it was around 2 million. Right now it is around 1.57 million. So there's a lot of people who've quitted into this game. It is because of the earnings, and you can probably earn that much. However, if you are actually trusting to this game, of course you're trusting the developers, and still they are the number one, okay, into to the wax apps. And just keep on mining CLM, just keep on buying the dip as well. Of course, the items, the price of the TLM, of course. Not a financial advice, but I mean that's pretty much what do you need to do if you really love this game. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you like this one, and I see you for more Alien Worlds updates and upcoming videos of this game in the next future days to come. So see you and have a good day.